This is the Nissan Primera P10 of 1995. The car has just now received an actual de-dusting of the engine. All of the compartments have been meticulously vacuumed off through this actual fiber rod, the yellow one. We have applied onto the engine this actual programmable cable protector from rodents and adverse conditions. We have utilized the sponge to sharpen up and sign the engine main compartment of the aluminum GADE 16 of the engine. Here is the actual sponge. It's a little used, it's overrated, and we have used the actual smart polish cleaner to adjust to the plastic coating and embracement of the perimeter of the door panels and the doors themselves, in order to refresh and renew as far as possible the plastic and the elastic surfaces that have an age of approximately 27 and a half years. They are in a very good state since the beginning of the car's ownership. They are very well adjusted. They have a very good adjustment to the perimeter of the doors. Perimeters, and we have also applied with this old sponge, leather, not leather, cotton, we have applied this Armor All semi-matte finish protectant to the dash and to the plastic main areas of the steering wheel, of the dash itself, of the gearbox, of the handbrake, of the deposit entities, the lights, etc., in order to refresh and renew as far as possible the inner compartment sectors of the car, segments of the car. Okay. And we have applied finally this K2 Nuta glass cleaner with this white cloth, which has been recently washed meticulously. It's a clean cloth, and we have applied the glass cleaner liquid all over the glasses, innerly and outside to the car's windows. So overall, it has been a refreshing and a renewing effort for the 27.5 years old Nissan Primera P10. I have to say that overall the maintenance requirements of the Nissan Primera P10, they are very limited, they are minimal, and the state of appearance and maintenance of the car was always using the less economic, financial and energetic efforts for its maintenance itself. So it's a very clean car, it's an easy car to maintain, it doesn't have any difficult surfaces or any difficult, let's say, components and materials that need special caring and maintenance. And with a budget of 10, 15, 20 euros, $20, $25 for the US market, you can have the necessary equipment for a long ride, for a long duration maintenance, respectively of the inner parts of the car, the inner compartments of the car, the cabin and its components, and of course for the engine. It's a very, very easy and cheap car to maintain, even after 27.5 years of operation and existence. And this is to the congratulations to the Nissan Motor Company that she has built a very successful, operationally and state-wise, medium-sized car, family car, that still, 27.5 years later, it is still operational and comparable to modern cars of an approximate value of over 25-30,000 euros and approximately US dollars. So it was a very good market choice, buying the Nissan Primera, that still endures and offers its services to any family that owns it.